This here's the last of the modules. They're taking them down. They took all these down. This will be the last, and they'll be here no more.
Until March.
What, are they coming back in March?
Yeah, for the Bakersfield Train Show.
So you guys coming down here in March?
No, not down here. We'll be at the fairgrounds.
Yeah, you guys getting the fairgrounds in March.
Yeah.
So this is gonna be the last time they'll be down here in this basement. So you'll see this at our train show. And hopefully it'll be great. Do you think you'll get the problems worked out on this thing?
On what?
On these modules, the dead spots?
Yeah.
Yeah. I was surprised you guys didn't work on it.
Yeah, they were running pretty good this morning.
They did?